Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today we're diving into AI agents and chatbots.
Ooh, fun.
Something I know a lot of you business leaders are kind of thinking about these days.
Definitely.
How can these things help my business? How can they, boost customer engagement? How can they maybe even open up some new revenue streams?
Yes.
And to help us unpack all of this, we've got Taylor from Busi.Chat,
Hi.
a company that's,
Thanks for having me.
making waves in this space.
Yeah, appreciate it.
So Taylor, right off the bat,
Sure.
what's the difference between just a simple chatbot
Yeah.
and a true AI agent? It seems like everybody's using these terms interchangeably
Yeah, they are.
these days.
That's a great question. And yeah, there is a lot of confusion out there.
Yeah.
Think of it this way. A basic chatbot is like a vending machine.
Okay.
You press a button for a soda, you get a soda.
Right.
Pre-program responses for specific inputs.
Okay.
But an AI agent is much more sophisticated. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant who can really understand your needs and respond in a very personalized and dynamic way.
So it's not just about answering FAQs anymore.
Right.
These AI agents can actually hold a real conversation.
Yes.
They can understand nuances and even learn from mistakes.
Exactly. AI agents are powered by natural language processing and machine learning.
Okay.
And that allows them to really understand the meaning behind your words.
Wow.
Not just the words themselves.
So they're getting context.
Yes, and they remember past interactions.
Wow.
And use that context to provide more relevant and personalized responses.
So for our listeners out there who are thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how does this actually work in a business setting? Can you give us some tangible examples?
So imagine you're a retailer with an online store.
Okay.
An AI agent can act as a virtual stylist, guiding customers through product selections, offering personalized recommendations based on their preferences, and even answering questions about sizing or shipping.
So it's about?
This leads to a more engaging shopping experience, higher conversion rates, and increased customer satisfaction.
It's like having a salesperson available 24/7
Exactly.
to guide each customer individually.
And it's not just about customer-facing applications.
Okay.
AI agents can also be used internally to streamline operations. So let's say you're in HR.
Right.
And you're constantly bombarded with the same questions about benefits or company policies.
Oh, yeah.
An AI agent can handle those routine inquiries, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic tasks.
So for our listeners, the key takeaway here is that AI agents aren't some far-off futuristic concept.
Right.
They're already being used by businesses of all sizes to improve efficiency, enhance customer experiences, and ultimately drive growth.
Exactly. And the best part is that AI technology is constantly evolving.
Right. Which means the capabilities of these agents will only become more sophisticated and impactful over time.
That's exciting.
It is. And that kind of leads us to an important question for business leaders.
Okay.
Not all AI agents are created equal.
Right.
There are different types, each with their own strengths and limitations.
Okay. Let's unpack that a bit.
Yeah.
What are the key distinctions business leaders should be aware of?
On one end of the spectrum, you have those rule-based chatbots.
Okay.
Those vending machine bots we talked about earlier.
Right.
Good for handling those simple tasks,
Yeah.
like booking appointments or answering FAQs.
Yeah.
But they're very limited in their capabilities.
Yeah.
They can't handle complex questions.
Okay.
They can't understand nuances.
Right.
They can't adapt to new situations.
So they're a good starting point.
Right.
But they're not going to revolutionize your business.
Right. And that's where AI-powered chatbots and agents come in.
Okay.
These are the heavy hitters.
Right.
They leverage machine learning and natural language processing
to understand and respond to complex queries.
Okay.
Learn from past interactions and even predict future needs.
That sounds impressive.
Yeah.
But it also sounds expensive.
Yeah.
And complex to implement.
I understand.
Is this technology really accessible to businesses of all sizes?
That's a common misconception. Truth is, AI technology has become much more accessible in recent years.
Okay.
Platforms like Busi.Chat are designed to be user-friendly and scalable, allowing businesses of all sizes to harness the power of AI without needing a whole team of data scientists.
So you're saying that even a small business owner could implement an AI agent.
Absolutely.
To handle customer service or streamline internal operations.
Absolutely. And the return on investment can be significant.
Really?
We've seen businesses reduce customer service costs by up to 80%.
Wow.
Improve response times by 90%.
Okay.
And boost customer satisfaction scores by double digits.
Those are some impressive numbers.
Yeah.
It sounds like AI agents are a no-brainer for any business looking to
It seems that way.
Stay ahead of the curve.
For sure.
But what about the human element?
Right.
Are we going to see a world where customers are interacting solely with machines?
I don't think so. In fact, I think AI agents can actually enhance the human element of business.
Okay.
By handling those routine, repetitive tasks.
Yeah.
AI agents free up human employees to focus on what they do best.
Okay.
Building relationships, providing personalized service, and solving those complex problems.
That's a really important point. It's not about replacing humans.
Right.
It's about augmenting their capability.
Exactly.
And allowing them to focus on higher value activity.
Think of it as a partnership. AI agents handle the tasks that are best suited for machines.
Okay.
While human employees focus on the tasks that require empathy, creativity, and critical thinking.
Okay. I'm convinced AI agents are powerful tools that can benefit businesses of all sizes. But let's be honest.
Yeah.
There are also potential downsides, right?
Sure.
What are some of the challenges or concerns that business leaders should be aware of?
You're right. No technology is without its challenges.
Yeah.
One concern that often comes up is data privacy and security.
Right.
AI agents rely on data to learn and improve.
Okay.
So it's crucial to handle that data responsibly and ethically.
I imagine that's a big concern for businesses.
It is a big one.
Especially with all the regulations around data privacy these days.
Absolutely. At Busi.Chat, we take data privacy very seriously.
Okay.
We comply with all relevant regulations and use industry standard security measures to protect user data.
Okay.
But it's something that every business needs to prioritize when implementing AI solutions.
Another concern I've heard is that AI agents can sometimes feel impersonal.
Yeah.
Or robotic. How do you make sure they provide a truly engaging and human-like experience?
That's a key consideration in designing AI agents.
Okay.
It's about going beyond those basic pre-programmed responses and creating agents that can understand and respond to the nuances of human language.
So it's not just about answering questions correctly.
Right.
It's about answering them in a way
that
feels natural.
We invest heavily in natural language processing and sentiment analysis to ensure that our AI agents can understand not just what people are saying, but also how they're feeling.
Okay.
This allows them to adapt their tone and language accordingly.
So it's like teaching the AI to have emotional intelligence.
It is. And it's one of the things that sets Busi.Chat apart from the competition.
Okay.
We're not just building machines that can answer questions.
Right.
We're building machines that can understand and connect with humans on a deeper level.
Okay, Taylor, this has been incredibly insightful.
Thank you.
I think our listeners now have a much clearer understanding of what AI agents are, how they work, and why they're so important for business.
Right.
But before we wrap up, I want to ask you about the future.
Okay.
Where do you see this technology heading the next few years? What are some of the emerging trends that business leaders should be aware of?
One trend that I'm particularly excited about is the rise of multimodal AI.
Multimodal AI.
This allows agents to interact with users through multiple modes of communication, not just text. Think voice commands, images, even videos.
So we're talking about AI agents that can see and hear and understand us on a whole new level.
Exactly. Imagine showing your AI agent a photo of a broken piece of equipment.
Wow.
And it instantly identifies the problem, orders replacement parts, and schedules a technician to fix it.
That's wild.
That kind of seamless integration of different modalities is going to revolutionize how we interact with technology.
And it sounds like it has huge implications for industries like manufacturing, healthcare, even retail.
Absolutely. Another exciting trend is the use of AI agents for personalized learning and development.
Personalized learning and development.
Imagine having an AI tutor that tailors lessons to your specific learning style and pace.
Wow.
Provides real-time feedback, and even adjusts the curriculum based on your progress.
It's like having a personal coach available 24/7, guiding you through every step of the learning process.
Exactly. Yeah. And this isn't just science fiction.
Right.
These applications are already being developed and implemented, and they have the potential to transform the way we learn and grow.
It's incredible, Taylor. This has been an absolutely fascinating conversation.
Thank you.
I think we've covered a lot of ground today. From the basics of how AI agents work to the exciting trends that are shaping the future of this technology.
It's been my pleasure.
Before we let you go, is there any final advice you'd like to give to our listeners, particularly those business leaders who are considering implementing AI agents in their organization?
My biggest piece of advice would be to start small. And focus on solving specific business problems.
Don't try to boil the ocean with AI.
Exactly. Identify a pain point in your organization, whether it's customer service lead generation or internal communication. And see if an AI agent can help address that problem.
So it's about finding those low-hanging fruit, proving the value of AI, and then scaling from there.
Exactly. And don't be afraid to partner with experts. There are companies like Busi.Chat that can guide you through the process, help you choose the right solutions, and ensure a successful implementation.
Great advice. Taylor, thank you so much for joining us on the Deep Dive today.
It was my pleasure.
I know our listeners have gained a lot of valuable insights.
I hope so.
And to everyone listening, thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of AI agents. I hope you're as excited as I am about the potential of this technology to transform businesses and shape the future. Till next time, keep diving deep.